Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric BlackmonGuitar. In this lesson I'm going to show you how I play O Come, Emmanuel on acoustic guitar, chord melody style. What we'll do is play a few chords and we'll pull the melody out of those chords. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and we'll need to know 3 chords. Those chords are E minor, A minor, and D major. We'll start our melody by setting up on an E minor chord like this. And for the first note, we'll pick the D string, which is an E, and we'll follow that with an E minor chord sweep. Then we'll go to the B string and play it 3 times. So here's what we have so far. Then we'll go to an A minor chord and strum it. And while that chord is ringing out, we'll play the B string, and then we'll take our finger off of the B string and play an open B, and then an A at the 2nd fret on the G string. So we never took our fingers off of the chord until we played the open B and then the A, like that. So that's the A minor chord, C note, open B, A note, and then back to the E minor. So let's play that entire passage. Here we go. For our next progression, we'll play an A note at fret 2 on the G string. Then we'll play an E minor chord. While we're holding down that E minor chord, we'll play the G string, the D string, back to the G string. Then we'll play the D chord. Then we'll go to F sharp at fret 4 on the D string, and that's with the little finger, fret 2 on the D string, open, and then the E minor chord. So that complete thing once again. Next, we'll get ready with our A minor chord, and we'll play the G string, then play the A minor chord, then we'll play the D string twice, the F sharp note at fret 4 on the D string, and then E minor, back to the F sharp at fret 4, fret 2, and then the D chord. Now once again, for that part, starting with the A minor chord, next, we'll go to the E minor chord, play the open G string, and then play the E minor chord, the B string 3 times, A minor, the C note at fret 1, open, the A note at fret 2, and then E minor. So once again, that part is next, we'll go to Rejoice, which is a D chord held down. We'll play the D note at fret 3, then play the chord. The open B string, E minor chord. The open B note, A minor, C, open B, A, and then E minor. So once again, that is now for the ending, we'll play an A note at fret 2 on the G string, then the E minor chord, the G string, the D string, back to the G string, while we're holding down that E minor chord. So that's, then we'll play our D chord, F sharp, fret 4, fret 2 on the D string, open, and end with an E minor chord. So once again, that part was so once again, let's play through the entire thing. Well, all right, my friends, that's how I play O Come, Emmanuel on acoustic guitar, chord melody, with 3 easy chords. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.